Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Everydaychicc and I am here with another video to show you guys how I got this hair here. It's like a good crimped look. I showed you guys kind of how like I revamp my crimp looks like after I go to sleep, when I wake up in the morning, because crimping is like it's like curling your hair. You kind of got to upkeep it. Like, you got to be able to wrap it in some sort of way. You can't just sleep on crimped hair and expect it to look like this when you wake up in the morning. It's not like straight hair you can kind of just get away with not wrapping your hair. It's not like that. But, yeah, I like it. I haven't crimped my hair in a really long time and I've really been feeling it the past couple days. But I'm not going to ramble too long. The tutorial is relatively short. It's straight to the point because I don't do my whole head. I'm just showing you guys how I go from sleep to when it was crimped yesterday to being crimped today. But do not forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And do not forget to push that bell notification button so you stay up to date with every video that I always post, because I'm back on it. But like I said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to go ahead and get right into the video. Let's sash you. So my makeup's done. It's going to be kind of like just a hair tutorial. I currently have my hair in 2 braids, so I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off. This is exactly what it looks like outside of my 2 braids. Let me show you guys the back. Okay. I'm going to take them down. We're going to see this for the first time together. So we're going to see how much work I actually have to do. Because yesterday my hair was crimped. The air is on, huh? Let me go turn it off. Oh. Okay. Let me go turn my... So, okay, so now I'm going to take the other side down too. And these are just normal little French braids that I did in the hair to sleep. I'm not mad at this. So, but now, okay, so the only part that I am going to kind of fix, I guess, is the top portion. So I'm going to show you guys. So what I did yesterday was I completely crimped my whole head. It took me about 30 to 45 minutes to crimp my entire head, and this hair is 22 inches. So it wasn't that long. And I was kind of in the rush too, so as always. So it didn't take me that long, so I was happy. Now, even though this is like not my hair or a weave, you know, you still don't want to damage it. So you still want to try to take as well care of it as possible, which means putting as little heat every day as possible. So what I did was I braided it, and I didn't wet it or anything. I just parted it in half before I went to sleep, braided it all the way down as far down to the end as I could with my nails, and then I put a rubber band on it to hold it, and then I put a scarf. Well, then I did my frontal a little bit, and then that was it. And I went to sleep, put a scarf on, went to sleep. Now, to crimp it originally, I used this one. I have a crimper here, and you see it's a little burnt and stuff because it's hot as hell right now. I'm moving for my face. I don't remember the brand because I've had this crimper for a long time, but it's just a normal crimper from Walmart. So then what I'm going to do to show you guys, I'm going to take this top portion here, and I do bigger portions like this just because since the hair is 613, the last thing I wanted to do was burn, because it's going to be a burn mark. So then I spray some spritz on it. And then I do that. And then I do like 15 seconds. And as I get closer to the end, it's like 10 seconds. So I might do like 30 at the top. And then I just go down one at a time. And then I just go down. And I just hold it. I don't comb through it until the end. And to kind of explain, So if it starts here, I move it down right here. So I move it down one every spot except for the very, very top spot gets 2. That makes sense. And then that's pretty much it. So then you get something just like this. And then what I do is I just put my fingers through it. And then it's perfect. Then I just go and I fix whatever portions I think needs to be fixed. I'm going to do the same to the other side since I did this top side. Do the same thing. Move it down. Wait a little bit. 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 And now this bottom portion here, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I'm not going to do it today. Only because it's already crimped and it's so thin at the bottom. And that's it. That was a pretty quick tutorial for y'all, huh? And then I'm not really going to do the back, but then this was what the back would look like. And this is it all the way down. So now, what I might do too is, this is what I do normally when I curl my hair too. I look at the bottom, and if any of the bottoms are too straight, I'll fix the bottoms. But the bottoms are... Yeah. But that's pretty much it. So this is the finished result that you'll get. But I like how it turned out. I hadn't crimped my hair since I was like in high school. It just is a process that used to take me super long, so I just never liked it. So what I always used to do first, I used to honestly wet my hair, braid it first, let it dry, and then crimp it after it was already like crinkled. And that was kind of like my cheat to do it. But this time I did it completely from it being straight to it being like this. And like I said, I kind of enjoy how it is. How long I'm going to leave it like this, I don't know. I have a photo shoot tomorrow, so I'll probably leave it like this for my photo shoot tomorrow too, and then change my hair completely after my photo shoot. Haven't decided yet. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.